Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a mug, put in 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then put in about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now just mix these together. Then add 1/2 an egg. So save the other half if you want to make 2. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Then get a small apple, peel it and then grate it. You use about half of it. And like I said, if you want to make a second one, use the rest for that one. Just put that in there. Now just mix this together. Now just pop this in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. No.